I want to put a cap on this Novak Djokovic issue this evening. As expected and as predicted by the Maverick, Djokovic is not playing in this year's Australian Open. He's now deported from Australia and is back in his native Serbia after causing this big, uncomplicated hullabaloo. Simply put, the man is not vaccinated, and the Australian government, as per their prerogative, stuck to their guns by not allowing an unvaccinated foreigner to stay in them country. The mini complication came about because the Australian Tennis Federation tried to dance Djokovic between the raindrops and get him to play in the tournament, and that backfired because the Tennis Federation wanted the best for tennis, while the Australian government sets and implements the laws of the country. So Novak Djokovic was always going to be deported from Australia, and it is 100% his fault. His choice was simple and clear. Get vaccinated and continue to win tennis titles, or don't take the vaccine and watch the Australian Open on TV like me. You see where the next Grand Slam destination, the French Open, is also requiring players to be fully vaccinated. Well, the ball is now in the court of Novak Djokovic.